What is up, YouTube? I hope you're having a good day today. I'm having an excellent day, and today is Saturday, the 26th of March. Well, we are working really hard on the house, trying to get it ready, trying to get ready to have more Airbnb guests in Magnolia place, and we have done a lot of work on this house, and it is coming along so nice. Can't wait to show you what it looks like once I get all the furniture in, but I figured I'd go ahead and give you a sneak peek on what it is looking like now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. It is completely finished. It is ready to go. All we got to do is put in the furniture. So hang on to your shorts and enjoy the video. So now we're going out. This is the door that goes right here. Looks like they're wrapping it up. All they have left to do now is the flooring. And there's the flooring right there. And it'll be done. Okay, we're back at the house again, and you can see that the flooring is in. The molding looks like it's up. Even got the corner molding and did a real nice job with this molding up here in the ceiling. Very pleased with that. That's really good work. And then that's the closet. And the first bedroom is here on the right. There's the floor. And the closet. All they got to do is put a closet, what do you call it, a clothes rack in there. Flooring is looking really good in here. And this is the second bedroom. Really pleased with how this has turned out so far. And then you walk into the kitchen or the bathroom. Looks like they've been using it to store stuff in. Nice flooring, tile flooring, and you've already seen the shower. And you can turn it on. It's working. Very nice. And tomorrow they're going to go and get the vanity. They're going to install it. And then all we have to do is little things like shelving in the closets. We'll need a toilet paper holder, towel rack, that sort of thing. But yeah, looks really good. Very happy with the way it has turned out. Here's the final product. hope you enjoyed my video today. I certainly enjoyed making it. And if you enjoy the content of my videos, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I'm going to show you here in just a second my unboxing of that stereo that I mentioned in my last video. I got the stereo back and have offered a full refund for the money that the buyer spent, which was $300, and then another $118 in cost for the postal to send it back. I paid for the postage there and back, so I refunded her money for the postage here the first time from me to her. So I'm gonna cut away and show you that clip real quick, and then I'm gonna end the video. But I hope you enjoyed watching this. I won't be posting any more videos on the Magnolia place, so there won't be any more updates on that, except for, you know, once it's opened up back up again as an Airbnb, I will show you. I'll do a walkthrough and show you what it looks like with all the new furniture, or actually not new furniture, but old furniture put in there. It'll look real nice, I'm sure. I'm looking forward to getting it all set up and open back up and start making money off of the house again. So here it goes.